Lincoln Crowley QC is the first Aboriginal Australian to be appointed to the Supreme Court of Queensland today. Prime Minister Annastacia Palaszczuk welcomed the decision, saying both Crowley and newly appointed Supreme Court Justice Melanie Hindman had shown years of expertise. They are outstanding people and have a lot to offer the Supreme Court of Queensland, she said. Texas gunman spent more than an hour at school. Lincoln Crowley QC was the first Aboriginal Australian to become a Supreme Court justice. A Warramunga native, Crowley grew up in North Queensland before joining Sydney pubs in 2003. In 2018, he was appointed Queen's Barrister. Mr. Crowley has appeared regularly across Australia, particularly in Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria courts, dealing with a wide range of cases, particularly criminal trials and appeals, Palaszczuk said. Crowley is the current chair of the Queensland Bar Association's Indigenous Bar Committee, a former Crown prosecutor for the Commonwealth Attorney General in Sydney, and Chief Prosecutor for the Maroochy Division of the Queensland Attorney General's Office. Since 2009, he has specialised in defence and prosecution with the Private Bar Association, with particular expertise in criminal law, investigations, and related civil litigation and litigation. A Warramunga native, Crowley grew up in North Queensland before joining Sydney pubs in 2003. The Law Commission of Australia also congratulated Crowley on his new role. Australian Law Commission Chair Tas Liveris said, "Mr. Crowley has demonstrated exceptional professionalism and fully deserves this appointment. On behalf of the Australian legal community, I congratulate him on this important personal and professional achievement, one that also makes history." It took 24 years for the BBC to admit this song to the top. According to Liveris, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples remain underrepresented in the legal profession. While there is still work to be done, today's announcement is an important milestone, he said. Mr. Crowley joins a respected group of Aboriginal judges and prosecutors who have had a significant impact on the Australian community, the legal profession, and the justice system.